So we're going to be talking about React finally. I mean, I like the way they've put the Black Lives Matter here. Support the Equal Justice Initiative. Awesome stuff. All right, so what is React? I mean, where best to explain React than the React website? So you can go to reactjs.org, and it says React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. So you can use it to build front-end applications, basically. And Facebook, it was created by a group of developers, a community in Facebook, and mostly Facebook user interface is mostly built in React. React is an awesome language and a library, and I hope you enjoy it. Basically, let's get started with React. All right. So there are different ways to write React. We had done a very, very small introduction in a while back, but we are going to focus on using Create React App and how you can create React using Create React App. And so there are different ways you can do that, but the React website suggests to do it using different methods. So I'll explain that in a bit. All right. So if you're building a single page application, they suggest to use Create React App. So basically, you're building just a simple website. You can use Create React App, and it's a single page application, right? If you're building a server rendered website, meaning it's going to have a lot of backend work, you're going to be working not necessarily just in the front, you can try Next.js. But for now, we're just using Create React App. If you're building a static content oriented website, I use Gatsby a lot to build static content, which might even include like blogs or e-commerce websites. So it doesn't mean static, like it's not, you can interact with it. You can use Gatsby. But for now, we're going to be using Create React App. So how do we install React using Create React App? First, you need to go to the folder that you want to use to create, like the folder where you want to put the React application. All right. So go to the folder, and then in that folder, you're going to type npx create react app, my app. A lot of when you go online and you just type create react app, a lot of the resources you'll get will basically tell you to use npm install create react app -g, but they suggest that you don't do that here, and you should basically mostly just use npx create react app. All right. So that's what we're going to do. I already did that just to save time, but go to your command prompt in your Windows or go to your terminal in Mac. And what you need to do is type, I just want to go straight to where I have it, if you can see that. So I had to start npx, this is where you have it. So you're going to type npx create react app. So you're going to type all of this, and here where you see CodeWidth, that's the name of your application, right? But you need to put it in a folder, right? So I cd to a folder called React that I have, and in that cd called React, I want to have another folder will be created for you called CodeWidth by creating React app. All right. So basically that's what this does. So this my app, you wouldn't use my app, you will put the name of your application here. So you would type npx create react app, my app. Now what is npx? Npx comes with Node.js. If you don't have Node.js, please install it. It comes with Node.js. I normally would use the recommended version depending on when you're watching this video. So I would use something like this and not necessarily this, because sometimes this comes with a lot of issues. And so you please download Node.js, and Node.js comes with npm, that is the Node Package Manager. And with npm, we can install a lot of things. If you want to know if you have Node, you can type, if you want to know if you have Node, actually, let me just open up. You can just do node -- version. It will tell you the version of Node you have. I have 12.16.12. You should have at least 8.10 Node and npm 5.6. You can also check the npm you have, npm -- version, and it should tell you. So I have 6.14, so I'm fine, right? And so once you run, so I'm gonna close this. Once you run npx create react app CodeWidth, you should have the application running. All right. If you face any errors, you might have to run npm cache clean force. You might have to run npm, so maybe it was not working. I would suggest run npm cache clean and then dash dash force. So you're gonna force cleaning of npm so that you don't have any errors. So you have to run this if you face any errors. Otherwise, if you don't face any errors, it would run and run, ignore any low vulnerability, all of that. Just ignore that, and just once it's done running, you would see this. That's how you know you succeeded. It would say you can cd to your file, and then you can run npm start, and that's what we're going to do, right? So you're going to say cd to whatever your file is called. Mine is called CodeWeeds, and then now that I'm in CodeWeeds, I would just run npm start. That's how to start your application in React. It would start a development server, and then it would open a browser as it starts a development server, and you would see a boilerplate application. All right, it's loading. It might take some time. So basically, that's how you create or you start React using Create React App. In the next video, we're going to be looking at the structure of the React folder. But for this video, it's basically just to show you how to create React App. So npx create React App in the name of your app. If you face any error, please run the npm cache clean force, clean dash dash force. Otherwise, congratulations. If this is displaying on your screen, congratulations. You are beginning your journey to creating React applications. All right, tap yourself in the back, and I'll see you in the next video.